It's Tuesday Titans on the railroad. I'm Derek. Welcome. And we're going to continue our piece on abandoned, unused railroad tracks. We are in Dayton, Ohio on St. Jude Street. And here we are. We have a set of tracks right here, a pair of tracks. At one time they used to switch here in East Dayton, Ohio at one time. I got traffic behind me, so I'm going to have to. I can be back with you guys momentarily. Okay, guys, I just pulled down here to the right. As you see, I just crossed the tracks. These old abandoned tracks, and like right down here on the street, right on the side of these tracks. At one time, Conrail used to own it. Norfolk Western, Pennsylvania. They used to switch right over there. I don't know what it's being used for right now, but at one time it was accessible. And I have more vehicles coming down the street. So guys, just please bear with me. Doing Real Fan Vibes, trying to get you guys your content here. How you doing? But anyway, rest in peace. And this train's for you. Welcome back, folks, to Tuesday Titans on Real Fan Vibes. Once again, this train's for you, St. Jude Street. May you rest in peace. This train's for you. And one more bit of piece of information about that abandoned St. Jude crossing. That track is now owned by Norfolk Southern, but it hasn't been used in about 30 years. That was the last time I believe I saw a train on that St. Jude Street crossing. Just wanted to make note of that. Real Fanny Vibes on YouTube, Tuesday Titan style. Glad you can join us. Thanks for watching. Northbound. Kind of looks like a loaded autorack. Autorack rocking on, baby. That's what's up. Yes, sir. And once again, this train is for you, St. Jude Street. Abandoned railroad tracks. We salute you here at Real Fanny Vibes. This is your train. Rock on, baby. Rock on, rock on, rock on. Yes, sir. RVP in the house. And Rail Fan, Terrible 63. Terrible 63 and his mom here kicking it with us here on Washington Street here in Dayton, Ohio, the Gem City, the land in the land of funk. Yes, yes indeed. Yes indeed, yes indeed. Isn't she lovely? Yeah. Isn't she wonderful? I guess that's the lyrics. Referring to this beautiful northbound autorack. Real Fanny Vibes. in the house, baby. Here comes the end of our northbound loaded autorack train. So Tuesday night, Tuesday Titans on the railroad style. Yes, sir. Like, share, drop a comment below. Tell us how you feel as the gates go up. And once again, rest in peace, St. Jude Street, abandoned railroad tracks. You will always be remembered. Peace out.